So having the background of my grandfather being a doctor and being good at science, that was kind of always in the background. But the school I went to, a lot of my friends' parents were business people, so they owned their own businesses and they were successful people. And early on, being a sports coach is great, and it's a rewarding career where you get to influence a lot of people, but I always saw the financial struggles, right? And how difficult it is to really earn a good living doing that work. My dad always had three jobs growing up. So, this man's working literally 18, 20 hours a day for long periods. And I was always curious and interested in seeing these families that have not material wealth. I wasn't interested in the cars or the mansions or anything like that, but the freedom to go about and not have to slave away so much. And so I started asking a lot of them, like, hey, how do I get in your field? What is business? How, you know what does that, how do I get into that? And a lot of them came back to me and said, look, you need to really understand finance and investing, and international finance at that. And then, if you combine that with law school, you're basically going to run the gamut. You're going to be able to do a lot of things, and you're going to know more than a lot of people. And so that was interesting advice. And I guess, without really using that as a specific guiding light, I ended up doing all of that, and my career even took me down that path. So that was an interesting source of